Have you ever wondered what the best spots to visit in Athens are? Welcome to Athens, a city where history and modernity entwine in a captivating dance. This is the birthplace of democracy, the cradle of Western civilization, and a treasure trove of ancient wonders. Every cobblestone street, every weathered column, every amphitheater echoes tales of legendary philosophers, epic poets, and formidable warriors. Athens is a timeless testament to human civilization, teeming with historical sites that will leave you in awe. Stay tuned to discover the top spots in Athens you cannot afford to miss. First on our list is none other than the iconic Acropolis. Rising majestically above the city of Athens, the Acropolis is a symbol of ancient Greece's grandeur and glory. This fortified hilltop was once the heart of ancient Athens, a bustling hub of political, religious, and social activity. Let's delve into its history. Its construction began in the 5th century BC under the leadership of Pericles, a prominent and influential statesman, orator, and general of Athens. It's home to architectural marvels such as the Parthenon, the Erechtheion, and the Temple of Athena Nike, each unique in its design and purpose. The Parthenon, dedicated to the goddess Athena, is a shining example of Doric architecture. The Erechtheion, known for its caryatid porch, and the Temple of Athena Nike, representing victory, further enhanced the Acropolis's splendor. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Acropolis tells tales of a civilization that shaped our world. The Acropolis, a testament to the grandeur of ancient Greece, is a must-visit spot for any Athens trip. Next, we journey to the Ancient Agora, the heart of classical Athens. Imagine this place teeming with activity centuries ago as Athenians gathered to trade, converse, and debate. It was not just a marketplace, but a vibrant hub of political, social, and philosophical discussions, where the seeds of democracy were planted and nourished. Key attractions include the beautifully preserved Temple of Hephaestus, a testament to ancient architecture, and the Stoa of Attalos, a grand colonnaded building that now houses the Museum of the Ancient Agora. Here you can immerse yourself in artifacts that tell tales of a bygone era. The Ancient Agora, once the hub of Athenian life, offers a unique glimpse into the daily life of ancient Athenians. Lastly, we explore the charming streets of the Plaka District. A labyrinth of narrow, winding lanes, Plaka is a delightful blend of the past and present. Its neoclassical architecture whispers tales of yore while vibrant tavernas hum with the upbeat rhythm of modern Athens. This district holds the title of the oldest residential area in the city, a testament to its enduring allure. The Plaka District, with its enchanting streets and vibrant atmosphere, is a perfect place to wind down after a day of sightseeing. These are just a few of the many extraordinary spots Athens has to offer. The Acropolis, Ancient Agora, and the charming Plaka District each hold unique stories waiting to be explored. For more interesting facts about world's top travel destinations, subscribe to YouSpot. Don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos, and keep your travel dreams alive.